Welcome to my MTV Cribs.
Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my home. If you see my last apartment tour, that is about 2 years old, and I have been in a new apartment now for going on a year. So I wanted to give you guys an updated tour and show you what my new place looks like. And let's be clear, I am not rich. We ball on a budget. So this is not a CB2 Crate and Barrel household. This is Marshall's, Home Goods, Amazon. So this video is for all of my middle class girlies who want to have a really nice place on a budget. Make sure you watch this video because I'm going to show you guys how we ball on a budget. So when you first enter my apartment, this is what you see. You walk right into my entryway. I do have a pretty narrow hallway when you first walk in. And we'll start with, on the right hand side, you have my washer and dryer. These are the same washer and dryer that I had in my last apartment. It is Whirlpool. I am genuinely obsessed with these. They are so quiet and they just work really well. Then on the left hand side, you have my bathroom. It's a pretty decent size. It's pretty big. My apartment is just under 700 square feet, so they did a great job with this space. Here you have my little soap bar. I actually bought these bottles off of Amazon, and it came with this white tray, but I replaced it with this wooden tray that I got from Home Goods. And then of course I have my Refreshed Essentials candle. That is a must. Right over on the right hand side, you have my favorite candle ever. If you want your house to smell like a middle-aged wealthy woman, this is the one and the two. I swear by this candle. And right over here, I have this wall art that I purchased from Target. And then I have this basket that I use as a toilet paper holder. I usually have another roll in there, but you know, budget cuts, inflation, times are hard. But I also got that basket from Target. And you have the second canvas over here. I just hung it above my towel rack. And you guys can see I kept it with the cream and neutral vibe. And these pictures really tied it all in. For my hand towels and my rugs, they are both by Threshold, which you can find at Target. They're both in the color oatmeal. And over here on the bottom corner, I actually stole this from my sister. I got this basket from At Home and just rolled up some white towels to give it a spa-like feel in here. So yeah, there you have my bathroom. Now look, before I show you guys this next room, I have to give a disclaimer. My bedroom is not that girl. My bedroom is the weakest link of the whole house. It is teeny tiny. It is really hard for me to figure out how I want to decorate and furnish it. So just know I call it my little prison cell. She's not cute. She's not where we want her to be, but I'm going to show you guys anyway. Across from my lovely bathroom, you will find my bedroom. And as you guys can see, I actually have a sliding barnyard door. I actually call my bedroom my little prison cell just because there are no windows, there's no natural light. It is literally at the front of my house, and it is a tiny, tiny box, and that has made it really challenging for me to try and furnish it. I know I probably don't even have to mention it, but this bed is the Hanson bed from Wayfair. Every girl and her mom has it. I don't care, I love it. I have it in the queen size. I forget what color, so I'll leave that in the description. But right next to it, I have a very vintage looking nightstand that I actually ordered off of Kohl's. So the backstory with the nightstand is, one, nightstand and dresser sets that are cute are very expensive. And also the wall where I have my dresser is pretty short, so not a lot could fit here. And I really wanted to make sure I had a matching set. So the plan with this, and you can see I kind of started it up top here. But I started sanding the black paint off, and I was planning on removing the hardware. I haven't gotten around to getting it done, so it looks very retro in here right now, but eventually I'll have that done. I also started sanding this one, so I am not going to show you guys the dresser. And right above, I got new wall art this week, and I actually got this from HomeGoods. It was $50, so it was a great deal. HomeGoods for your wall art is amazing. After you leave my room, we are back into the entryway, and I kept it pretty simple here. Again, it's a really narrow area, so I didn't want to overdo it, but I have these two canvases that I also just got this week from HomeGoods. They were $50 each. For all three, I only spent $150, which to me is a big steal. And to help open up the room, I have this floor-length mirror that I have had for 3 years now. Also got this bad boy from HomeGoods. I want to say I spent about $150 on it, and it opens up right into my living room and kitchen. As you guys can see, it is a very open concept. So we'll go ahead and start with my living room. Don't punch me. I know that this rug is entirely too small. Rugs are very expensive. I can't justify spending $300 on a rug. And I also don't want a stark white rug, so I'm trying to figure that out. But yes, I know I need a larger rug. This one is from Target. It's a 5x7, and I've had it for like 3 years now. And here you have my sofa. I actually really love this sofa. Also had it for 3 years. It is the Solatrin sofa from Ashley Furniture in the color stone. I want to say I paid about $650 for it, which is an amazing deal. Right above my sofa, you have this DIY wall art that I did. Like everyone else, I tried the spackle art, and I got these two canvases from Michaels, and you know, it's something. But I definitely think it just washes out the area too much, so I will more than likely be replacing those. Over here, you have my windows. And to the left, you have my little desk. I don't have a chair for this space because I have a lot of big furniture in my living room already, and it is pretty small. So I feel like adding a chair would just not work. I got this desk off of Amazon. My mom actually got it for me a couple of Christmases ago, and I absolutely love it. It is glass and it's wood. Now we have my favorite piece in my whole house, my TV console. I actually got this from IKEA. It is the Besta unit. I did build my own. This Besta only cost me $210 in total. And if you've ever shopped for TV stands, you know it is ridiculous, and most of them are ugly. So such a good steal, really cute, great price. I highly recommend. On top of my TV stand, I kept it really simple. I just have the Homebody book by Joanna Gaines. I got this off of Amazon, and I also got this little piece off of Amazon as well. And then that brings us over to my kitchen. Pretty standard kitchen. It did come with an island that I love. There is faux marble on all of the surfaces throughout my apartment. But these two chairs, these bar stools rather, that I got are from Wayfair. They were about $400 for the set. They are a little bit big for the area in my opinion, so I wasn't planning on keeping them just because the legs come out a little further back than I wanted, but they just match so well. For the centerpiece of my island, I actually just changed this out. I got this glass vase off of Amazon and also these faux eucalyptus. It made the biggest difference. It added a slight pop of color, even though it's so minimal, it did make a big difference. Over here, you have my electric kettle that my brother got me. He bought that off of Kohl's for my last apartment. My knife set, which is from Amazon. Over here you have my Nespresso that I don't ever use because they have coffee in my lobby, but I got that from Target. And I got this jar to hold my pods from Marshall's. Over to the right, my new favorite thing ever, oh my god, I have these electric grinders for salt and pepper, game changer. Over here you have my utensil holder, got that from Marshall's. And then my frother, which I also got from Amazon. You'll see stainless steel appliances. Very cute. I have pictures hung all over my refrigerator. And I feel like that made my home so much more personal. That is my 1-bedroom apartment. So there you guys have it. That is my apartment tour. Like I said, nothing too fancy. I did a pretty decent job at getting it to a space where I feel like it's really cute and modern and fits me. So I hope you guys like it. If you do want links for any of these items, please don't hesitate to let me know. If you guys have questions about anything else in my home that I may have missed, just let me know. Or if you have ideas of how I can decorate or help that struggle bedroom of mine, please let me know. I probably will be making a refresh video on that when I figure that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. As a reminder, I do post videos every single week. We love a consistent queen, so please make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!